Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Sonata tire. First, ensure your safety by parking on a firm, level surface, well away from any traffic. Engage your parking brake fully and activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Gather your essential tools, the spare tire, the jack, and the lug wrench. Before lifting the car, use the lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire, turning them about 1/4 to 1/2 turn counterclockwise. Now, let's safely lift your Sonata. Refer to your owner's manual to find the precise jack points on your vehicle's frame, typically near the flat tire. Carefully position the jack directly under this designated point. Begin to raise the vehicle slowly and steadily. Continue jacking until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing enough space to remove it. Always ensure the car feels stable on the jack before you proceed to the next step. With the car safely lifted, it's time to swap the tires. Finish unscrewing all the lug nuts you previously loosened, removing them completely by hand. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Now, carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Take your spare tire, align its holes with the wheel studs, and push it firmly onto the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts onto the studs until they are snug. You're almost done. Gently lower the vehicle using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to firmly tighten all the lug nuts in a star or crisscross pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once tightened, fully lower the car and remove the jack. Don't forget to check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to the nearest service center for a full-size tire repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.